Welcome, beautiful soul. I know things might feel heavy right now. Maybe your thoughts are moving too quickly. Maybe your heart feels tired. I want you to know it's okay. You are safe here. You are not alone. And together, for these next few minutes, we will create a space just enough for light, for peace, and for a tiny breath of hope to come into your life. Go ahead and gently find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a deep, slow breath in. Hold it softly and let it out. Feel your body already beginning to soften, to let go slowly. Let's practice now a gentle breathwork exercise for release. It's very simple and I will guide you. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a moment and exhale slowly through the mouth for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause gently and exhale for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time together, filling your lungs with calm for 4. Pause gently and exhale for 6. Notice how with every exhale your body is letting go a little more. The shoulders drop, the chest softens, the heaviness lightens. Now notice your body. Notice where it's touching the surface beneath you. The chair, the bed, the floor, wherever you are. Allow yourself to be supported, held by this energy in the ground. You don't need to hold it all by yourself. You can rest just for this present moment. And as you keep breathing, I invite you to imagine a soft light, a warm golden glow beginning to form around your heart. It's gentle, tender, comforting. This light carries compassion, love, and safety. With every inhale, feel it grow just a little brighter. And with every exhale, feel it wash over the parts of you that hurt, the parts of you that feel anxious or sad. This light doesn't judge you. It doesn't rush you. No matter the thoughts or worries or sadness that you are experiencing, it doesn't make you less of a human. It makes you being you, just in a moment that is challenging, but that it will pass. This light whispers, you are enough. You are safe, and you are unconditionally loved. If your mind wanders to worries, to sadness, that's okay. Gently guide it back to this light, to this breath, to this moment that is simply yours. Because in this moment, nothing else is required of you. Right now, you're simply here, breathing, alive. And with that aliveness, there is hope, even if it feels far away. I've been through this in the past, and I can empathize that sometimes it feels like there's no hope. But even if it feels far away, hope lives inside your beautiful breath, inside your beautiful heart, inside this gentle light that you just created and that surrounds you every single moment. Take a deep inhale, filling yourself with this light, and slowly exhale, letting it spread through your whole soul and body. Allow yourself to feel, even for just a second, that quiet peace, that safety, that softness. You are doing beautifully. You are more resilient than you realize. And this moment you've chosen of stillness is a gift you have given yourself, and I'm so proud of you. Place a hand over your heart. Feel it beating, steady, strong, because your heart is as alive as you are. A reminder that life continues to move through you, that healing is always possible, and that you are never, ever alone. Take one more deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, gently open those beautiful eyes and carry this feeling with you, this light, this hope, this reminder that you are worthy of peace. And remember, even in the hardest moments, you can always return to your breath, your light. Do this meditation as many times as you need when you feel low. I am so proud of you for being here. You are loved. Thank you and have a beautiful day.